Banoffee pie. This dessert recipe is definitely a must-try, as it is quick and easy to make and also a no-bake recipe, thereby making it a simple-to-make dessert recipe. Banoffee pie can be made in many variations, and I have come up with this recipe. So sit back and enjoy the making of this delicious dessert, as I am sure after watching this video, you would definitely want to try this recipe yourself. It's so perfectly sweetened that one serving too isn't enough, as it has balanced flavours. Please subscribe to my channel and stay connected with me for more amazing recipes. For this recipe, I'll be using 2.5 packs of digestive cookies. Roughly break these cookies and grind them to obtain cookie crumbs. We'll be using 60 to 65 grams of butter. Add the melted butter to the cookie crumbs. Give it all a good mix until the cookie crumbs are well combined with the butter. This makes the base of the banoffee pie. Transfer all the cookie crumbs to a large serving dish in which you will be making the dessert in. By using the back of the spoon, press it down to form the base. Once it's ready, chill it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. The most important ingredient that goes into making this pie is toffee. For making the toffee, we will require 1 tin of milkmaid. Place this tin into a pressure cooker. Now add water into it. Add so much water that the tin is immersed in it completely. This is just the perfect level of water we require, just lightly above the tin. Give it 1 whistle on a high flame, and then keep it on a low flame for 20 minutes. Set the timer and turn it off exactly after 20 minutes. Open the pressure cooker only once all the pressure is released completely on its own. Tip: keep this tin outside overnight, or minimum of 5 hours to be left out before opening it. The tin will be extremely hot. Do not try to open immediately. These are the results you get inside the tin. I opened it the next day. This is the toffee that's ready to make the banoffee pie. An incredibly delicious toffee is ready. Transfer all the prepared toffee to a mixing bowl. Using a hand whisk, whisk it until it turns smooth and looks something like this. Add in 1 cup of thick fresh cream to the toffee. Whisk it really well until both are well combined. By adding fresh cream to the toffee, it makes the toffee more creamy and smooth. Like this mixture tastes so amazing. Pour this prepared mixture over the cookie base. Now over this toffee and cream layer, we'll be adding 4 bananas finely sliced as shown here. For the next layer, add in 1 cup of fresh cream to a mixing bowl. Whisk it really well. Add the layer of this fresh cream over the banana layer. Once the cream layer is added, let it chill in the refrigerator before garnishing it with the final layer. For topping this dessert, I'll be using 2 large slabs of dairy milk chocolate. We'll be adding the chocolate to some heated fresh cream to obtain a dairy milk chocolate ganache. This ganache turned out super yummy and took this dessert recipe to the next level. Spread the final layer of ganache over the cream layer. I decorated this banoffee pie with some more chopped bananas. As you see, the layers came out so well, each layer with its own unique taste and flavor. Hope you enjoyed watching it. So quickly try my recipe and enjoy the results too. Please subscribe to Pearl's Culinary today.